and Salis Chedi and Daji Jijero Jesal said, and young element saw the Gola, not so doji Sembe, Yuji Pur Mivache. Chungo Budine, and Colosi Tone, Pur Mivache. And Cheva Pur Gola, any Chela Trube, Chela Juduce. Rantame by Judu Goma. The other concentration for you, Karcheni Chori, Chungo Kudu, Chungo Nas. Jizalama Damachaya Naji Chubukala, Chinzitin Tree, the Summit in Zamala, Sergei Shaba, Odus, Jizalama Damachaya number, Chena Cheese, Chena Suji.
And if we next is now the limited practices of requesting to give to expound the teachings or Dharma. And when we are doing these 7 limited practices, and if we have generate ourselves as the deity, as a Yamataka, then when we make an offerings, we should make emanate an offering goddesses from our heart. And when we are requesting him to remain for a long time, and then we should offer this double cross, the vajras and so on. But if we are not generate ourselves as the deity, then we should go straightforward, as we have mentioned yesterday. So now, what follows is now this requesting to turn the wheel of Dharma, which begins from the 7th verse, venerable and holy in the spiritual lives.
Jizalama Damachaya Naji, Chida Sambe Duzen Zemalus, and Zemas to Sajire. Sajitola Chabapa Naji. Duje Sajitola and Chubi Chaba Poro Nas, Chubi Chaba de Sarola Chaba Chimbo, Saron Sochen. Chuju Genesa Mato and Penuma, Consala Rimbaji Buguyo. Jana Duje Lotan Rimba Jimato, Dujalo members the church of which soon Pengioma. Zelotan Sambachi. Chedat Sambe Duja, Chedat Sambe, Dujen Zemala, Sergei Chaba, Dujalotan Sambachi, Church Soro Najo.
And then and from the blowing the clouds of your love and wisdom in the sky of the truth body, I request you let fall the rains of profound and extensive teachings in accordance with the needs of those to be subdued. So we should then request to the venerable and spiritual guides to bestow the teachings in accordance with the inclination and the needs of those to be subdued, the followers or disciples.
That's the Jechi Chava, Savada Jacha needed. Savada Jacha Sumrojis, Penadizatumochi in the Savatumbani, Jacho Jachis and Java, then choose Sumrojis, Donieta, Tawata Java Sundibi choose Sumrojis, Tawato Java man in the Humari, Java Yabu and the Tawachi man in the Humaris. Tenere. Ya Duja Yozi in the Sama and Hero in the Sama, Sava Life, Sava Tombadieta, Jacha Life Colori, Savsini make shoes on which Tano Yaza Chelame Duja Ina, Sava, Seri, Jacha, Julu says from Jucha, Chuchis, that's Savsin, Sava the Jachani, Tano Mabu Jaji or Taji Tavazilla.
And then we should make request to the venerable and spiritual guides to follow the reins of profound and extensive teaching. If you talk about this profound and extensive teachings from the point of view of common sense, then we are requesting to give the profound view of emptiness and extensive the teachings on the mind of enlightenment. And if you talk more profound in terms of Sikra Mantra, lower Sikra Mantra, then we should request to give the profound teachings of the emptiness and extensive and the will of Dharma. Will of Dharma, and if we are requesting, if we request, to give, the profound and extensive teachings from the point of view of the highest Yoga Tantra, and those who are, those who are, ready to practice it, and then we should request them to give, the profound teachings on clear light and extensive teachings on illusory body.
That Chungo did that Chungo Sani, 내래 냥에 메다 소도 배야라 대 다른 거 차리 동부 대 담바지 제가 제주스 그것이 차리 야 사자 네 참라 양주 지금 있는 소주고도 찬놈 명아야 담에 너무 나다 요새 일이신 거 소주고도 찬놈 명아야 담에 너무 주고라 세대보다 담바 주스 매는 담바 주스는 어디 시티대 주고 시티 줘야 돼 시티 송간데 그쪽은 정말 있는 지인벌에 다들 세부 세주는 야마지 대로주 지용 대주거를 제대해서 가denbe 같은 데거래 제 제가들도 해 먹어도 먼저 가야도
and after this then it follows this in general it follows the requesting to not to pass away, not to enter parinirvana, but some don't recite this request not to pass away because it already said in the second line and the second line, but most of the Gelugpas and they insert another version of not to pass away, which they are viewing in the verses, and it is said it was written by Pujo in the Champa, but some others don't recite this version because not passing away, because of not request not to pass away is already said in the second verse.
내려와 나다 요새 너는 나다 요새 인심에서 나다 요새 세야지 라메게람 네 되지 요새 리버 소모지 리버 지가 되지 요새 리버 내려와 세명게 리버 요새 그 요새 나다 요새 쓰기 리버 지가 되지 요새 내지 뭐니에 대해서 나다 요새 인도 지마 요새 뒤에 되지 요새 뭐니에 바시멜라 나빌람 니 트위지 나빌라 테레드니 제도레 아심베고도 아니 줄이지 콜레지모 나다 요새 인레 심바요 손주 콜라 줄이 테다 대야신으로 줄이 테다 내지 방과지 못해 손주 콜이 방과 손주스 양주 줄이 되게 도바니를 냠바 파샤르도 아니 도바 손주니요 가다이베 손주세 도베 손주 고테 저 체주메 봐 멜로 소주 공부를 요구래 멜로베 소주에 손 자도 참 꼬래 tellateni nyangel daya yomari juni pe naka se no mato chi nyangel daya yomari e za nada yose in le jimbai sonju ko le chalno me ma yanti da sonju ko de jamba jibe sonju ko de ane doji cham ko le rebo inza ko la su chaya da pa no ya de ji chi yomari chano me ma yo sonju ko chano me ma yo 담에 나무 수고라바니 주고라바니 수고라바 지와래 세대바도 담아 다가 손주 고정하지 제야요 말에 롱고래 에 다나베 산지나가 공주요 담아 미기 제토요 말에 줄이니 캐치모도 그 제토요 말에 대레이자 나란수 제야 되다 아니 왜 나서 미기 제토야 주고 주고 주고요 주고대 초고 주고야 나란수 제가고요 다도 안다이면 사실을 줄고 교신이다고 야나 에 나라서 레도 다를 손을 초고주고 샤지 도버고 이제 그래 단다 대연제 도고요 말이야 단다 라베 산지를 주고 치 손에게 남만데 어떤 교신이 어딘데 제비요 어디다 비 주고치 가리인데 가서 님을 대화해 봐 냐벨입니다 템버주로 나와서 다소 도스다고 되다.
Now the meaning of the verse that we are going to, if we want to insert after the requesting to return the will of Dharma, is that from is from the this fifth meaning clear light, which is the fourth stage of the 5 stages, and then that practitioner achieves the abandonment of the delusions, and then that person who has achieved this meaning clear light, we attain this illusory body, and then through this illusory body, and then that person again achieve the union body, which is called union of body needing learning, and then this union of body will not disappear completely, but this union body will then dissolve into the union body of normal learning, and saying that we beginners, we beginners, and we are new to these realizations, cannot perceive that union body of normal learning, but you have this enjoyment body, and this enjoyment cannot be perceived only by the superior bodhisattvas, but the enjoyment body can then manifest the form body, rupakaya, and such as emanation body, and not all emanation cannot be perceived in we in sentient beings, that such as supreme emanation body. Supreme emanation body cannot be seen by everyone. So please, please manifest another emanation body which is suitable to our mind, and then and that we are requesting to this the emanation body, then not to pass away.
Jesse Malangelo, Nane, Tanshin Zebe, Malang, Soncha Gizachi, Chiba, Gonja to the Jib, Chedo Monson. Janshu Simba to Malangia, the Mola, Mota Juni, Mota Juni, that patient with the Pevichil from the Jews. Janshu Simba, Malata, Tayab of Songiori. I in a yambe, Deodan, Messibe, Tamjata, Merube, Malang. Jinshi says that Rabba Mayubi Cheristone. Papa Cheris is two Jayon, Sijan Sanji Salago, Tico Salamarasan, Sijan Sanji Salago, Masama, the Masaji message, Chansus will take a better.
And next is now dedication, and there are many ways of dedicating and developing the wishing prayers. There are 1,200,000 ways of dedicating and developing wishing prayers. And take an example of how Avalokiteshvara dedicates and develops a wishing prayer. And Avalokiteshvara said that until I lead all sentient beings true in the Buddhahood, then I will remain as the Bodhisattva, being as the Bodhisattvas, and then in the Avalokiteshvara, in the benefit and help in others.
You was in Jesse, Ram Sanjay, Sanjay Sana, Sijan Taja Sanjay Sana, Tamarazu to Jensen Jedi.
And another way of generating mind of enlightenment is generating the mind of enlightenment like king. Thinking that first I myself attain enlightenment, and then I will lead the all sentient beings in the true Buddhahood. So this way of generating mind is like the king.
Jehu singing the give Paru judges about Jung so on the door. Rangi Jehu, the Ataji on the Demache, and Jehu Bam says the Jehu Chet, the other Kujung were down, the other Jerry suggested that Chico Segumari, choose to be suggested. Choose to be suggested, choose to look and Ralu, Bashukari, Sulugan, Helva, and Roni, Zakayu Savate, choose to Zakayu Savate. I can't say you got to do the truth, they were. Taranaje, Sija Tamja Sanjay Salako, and the general Sanjay Salah. Two Sijas are you said, somebody with the own road, and Lana Chamshasa, two Sijas, Baton, Pavilier Sasson, also found to worry. Tell it, choose that Sijas.
And the way the outlooks to generate mind of enlightenment is called the shepherd, like the mind of generating mind of enlightenment. The Avalokiteshvara dedicated generates mind of enlightenment. First I will lead all sentient beings to Buddha. Then I myself will become the Buddha. It is like shepherd who first the herds his the sheep and dogs on the mountain, and then he himself goes behind the sheep. And also if there if there's a bridge and other these dangers. First, he sends his flocks of sheep, and then he is coming behind the flocks of the sheep.
Never done since Sayadi. Never be true on the truth on the true now the shoe they get on never Jaja Kenijalo, Truna Nandi to Perinandi level. Tarana is sincere time jet around the Chanshu, which you have a Nandi jet. The Lamalo, Sanyadu Jet, some which is Sijio to the Sherry.
And there's another mind of enlightenment, which is like a boatman. If the boatman is taking the passengers to the other side of the shore, and the boatman wants himself also to want to cross the the sea as well as his the friends to be the other side of the shore at the same time.
Tell us, Johnny, to change you. Choose the Sinja, the Changes in the Saint that Java, the government, Sinja didn't do this. Sinja, that you saw just as around Sanja, where Pegama government was. Tajas had the zero down on his radio.
And one in the Lama said there is no the point of generating the mind of enlightenment suffered. Having that all sentient brings to Buddhahood was the point of oneself. Becoming Buddha for the benefit of others, just as if the shape, the hair, and then what's the
Tasha, Tati, the Chiran Tobachin, Musas. Mother Tata, Chiroya, Taborwa. I think had a Tasha. Tata, and Machiroga, Dana, Tanda Yomada, Dana, Sinja Tajan, and Simja the Kariche, Sinja Yoma.
And just as what's the point of the calculating what the day is good to shape, having shaped the hair.
Reason.
No. Do you understand that expression? Because some the people they find out which day is good to shape, and then having shaped before they shape they don't check it, and then having shaped his hair, then they check which day is good. It's too late to check which day is good because already shaped. You see the point? In a similar way, having led all sentient beings to Buddhahood, what's the point of becoming Buddha? Because all sentient beings are already led to the stage of Buddhahood. Just as just as having shaped the hair, what's the point of finding out the proper dates of shaving it? Do you understand it? Why are you laughing then? You don't check the dates, which day is good for shaving?
No. The Jojo now is a telejob, the Jeromy Sona. The Joyoma is Sanju Meru, Malon, the Mississippi, Thomas, the Tanjava, Gaba, which is Sanju was in a season that shot. How do you bet to Chetani? Rugu man, Maru, Monotaburis. The never saw Jess, Sanjay, Sanjay, in the Yodi Yumari, La Lenda, the Yumari, Sija Sanjay, but the Rombusan, a good home, Sanjay, Gurevadi, in a telegram 2 Jevres, 2 Jelamiru, 2 Jevres, Nijichiro, 2 Jevres.
And Tsongkhapa said it is incorrect to refute this the way of generating the mind of enlightenment, even it is impossible, or it is impossible to be attained. But because Bodhisattvas are great in compassion, so they have that strength of mind of dedicating and generating a mind of enlightenment, and even if Avalokiteshvara makes the prayer that he should be the last one of becoming Buddha, he will be practically he will achieve the enlightenment before the last sentient being becomes the Buddha. But the reason Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara makes and dedicate that first he should become Buddha after leading all sentient beings to Buddhahood because of the strength of his the mind for the possible sentient beings. For this reason, it is not advisable to refute and to negate this way of genuine enlightenment.
자주 수면 물론 대상의 책을 말해봐 알아서 되는 경주가 다처럼 경주 신경이 경주 티 다른 거도 맞도 되게 말이야 경주 신이 되려주요 내주바데 뭐놈래
And there is a text known as the Guide to the Bodhisattva Deeds, and it has the 10 chapters, and the 10th chapter is about the wishing prayer.
경주에 도면 나야 두슬베 봐봐 내려 쉬어 제세 전부 쉬어라게 경주 좀 배고디 공부에 나갈래야 편도디 나갈래야 편도디 저주 셴 소구 집에네 아니 왜 라버려 나게 이니야 예친 저도 왜 조사셔 버려.
And when Shantideva was speaking about this guide to the Bodhisattva deeds, and then he flew in the sky, and the rest of the teachings of his guide was spoken from the sky, and then finally Shantideva was disappeared, and there was some people said Shantideva was still Shantideva arrived after he had spoken his guide.
제세 제와다데 하진 베지 장시스마 다니 전부 개바밴드다 전부 조서 내줘도 전부 된대제 레바디 무거드나 하마고 공대가 사바르고 제 냥중제 아카바 녀데.
And even Shantideva was the great the practitioner and great scholar, but the people didn't knew that he was such a great practitioner and very learned one.
아니 뭐 개바르보다 지부르 다샤부자 만나만 이자 강도 베베 고거를 시게 냥중으로 대샤지 예버스 개바샤다요 지부요 다 코동은 집에 생세적인 데지 비고스고 내주리면 두스 가보요 말.
And then the monks that didn't like the Shantideva because other monks were very learned one, and the Shantideva was so humble, and then the monks said we should really expel Shantideva from our monastery. He's disgrace for us.
아니 비나니 아니 저 부바데베 쇼비 살렌 도저시 냥중리야 아니 데스 미스베 도저시 부바야 말을 쓰그래 텔레 코라 라비르야 탑시고 비 뭐고 코라 베르야시.
And then they said it is not